This video is sponsored by Squarespace. Squarespace is the all-in-one website platform that makes it easy to create, engage with your audience, and sell anything from products to content to time. Hey y'all! Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Happy to have you, okay? If you clicked on this video, then you are in a pickle. You have to make a gift very quickly. It's probably the night before Christmas, and you forgot about that one family member or that one family member's plus one, and you're like, oh, I need to get on that. I need a quick, fast crochet idea, preferably something under 2 hours, under an hour, heck, maybe even 30 minutes. Good thing you clicked on my video. So this one's another highly requested one, especially around gift giving season. So lucky for you, I've got together more than 50 fast gift crochet ideas, okay? These are all fast, but they're also gift ideas. So if you don't know what you're making for someone, and I don't know, Christmas just happens to be like tomorrow, I'm not judging you. I'm not judging. I've been there, okay? I've got you. So as always, everything I'm showing you is linked in the description box below in the order that I said it, linked to a paid, free, or written paid or free written or video tutorial so you can make everything I'm showing you. If any of these are yours and you don't want them in this video, DM me on Instagram or send me a quick email and I can take it out, okay? So, with that being said, here are the categories we have for this video. We've got bag charms, accessories, bag/pouches, decor, functional items, and then a miscellaneous category. If you're really quick, like if you have to leave in an hour, look at these timestamps down here and pick which one you're looking for if you're in a rush. But if you're not in a rush and you kind of want to look at everything, let's jump right into our bag charm category. Alrighty, so for bag charms, we have these really cute sardines. I love these. Love these so much. I've made one of these as a cat toy minus the safety eye. So cute. We also got this little froggy, I keep saying, I want to say bag charm. I'm like, girl, this is the bag charm category, okay? I don't need to say bag charm after everything. We've got this froggy pouch. We've got a little coquette bear keychain, okay? And a lot of these are free video tutorials. And this one's a strawberry sunny angel pouch. This one's for the girls that collect sunny angels. This is a really good gift for those sunny angel girls. Then we've got this flower keychain. Now this one has two in one video, so two different flowers. And this one is, I stumbled across these and they're so cute, but they're little cats with headphones. So cute. And then we've got these penguins all with different kind of little hats to wear. And then this one is for your Coraline lover. This would be a good gift for someone like me. I love Coraline. It's the little squid as a keychain. We've got this Loso fruity cats. 4 different cats. So cute. We've got a little cherry bow or a thick bow if you want to make a thick bow. I will be making this for someone this holiday season. And if you want to see me make it, subscribe so you don't miss the Vlogmas series where I'll be crocheting or knitting or sewing every gift I'm making this year for all my friends and family. No one's getting store-bought gifts this year. So if you want to be a part of that process, subscribe so you don't miss the series, okay? So the next one I have for you is this whale pouch. So cute. This one is cats with little different hats. Adorable. We have a paw that turns into a knit bag. And that is all for our bag charms, okay? Hey y'all, before we get into the next category, I just wanted to take a second to thank this video sponsor, Squarespace. If you're anything like me and you crochet and sell your crocheted stuff or your patterns or even your knitting, things like that, then Squarespace is the perfect place to open your online store. I've been working with Squarespace to build a website, and honestly, the process has been way easier than I thought it would be. If you have no idea what you're doing, like me, and you're a little worried about the process of starting the process of building the website, don't worry, because Squarespace has a bunch of flexible templates. You can change the color, you can take away things, you can add things, you can leave it as is, completely up to you. And if that's not enough, they have a new design intelligence feature where Squarespace works one-on-one with cutting edge AI technology. I did this and it asked me a couple questions, and I got to watch AI work with my answers and create a functioning website. Squarespace Payments is the easiest way to manage all of your payments in one place. And the onboarding process is quick and easy. In just a few clicks, you can start receiving payments. It also makes it easier for your customers by giving them a bunch of payment method options when they're at checkout. So check out squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/omazingpage and use my code omazingpage to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Our next category is accessories. For accessories, we've got this fuzzy bucket hat. This one's fun to do with like mohair or brushed yarn, or even this is like that mandala yarn, but it's like super fuzzy. If you're paying if you're paying attention, girl. If you're here, you're paying attention, or you better be. But if you look closely, you can see it's kind of fuzzy. It's like I don't think I have any with a label on them, but they're like the mandala yarn. What was I saying? Oh, bucket hat, super cute. And then we also have scrunchies. If you're like, you got limited yarn and you're just working with your scraps right now, works fine. We've got these tulip hair clips, super, super cute. We've got an easy crochet tutorial made by yours truly for these leg warmers. Everybody loves this tutorial. It's really slow. It's also really good for beginners if you've never crocheted before. This one is a star earmuffs pattern, so cute. That one's a video tutorial. Sorry, not really a pattern, video tutorial. This one's for the mask presenting people, okay? If you need more mask ideas, because I've been getting that comment a lot lately since it's gift giving season, go check out my last gift idea video. There's a whole section, and I also have a whole 50 crochet idea video just for mask like patterns. But this one is the really quick one I have for you, which is this fisherman hat. Super cute. Then we've got some crochet earmuffs, little reindeer ones, and we've got socks. I know a lot of us don't knit. I just recently started knitting. May or may not be working my way slowly through a sweater for the very first time ever. But if you don't knit and you want to make socks for your family, here's a crochet pattern for socks. This one is a strawberry fingerless glove video tutorial. And then we've got some cute little bow fingerless gloves. You can do with or without the bow, completely up to you, but it's a good like base fingerless glove pattern. This one is a video tutorial for cherry hair clips. Hair clips are so fun because they're really quick and you can just glue a hair like a barrette on them so fast, okay? Super fast. This one's an apple scrunchie. I thought of this one because of the Apple song and also Fiona Apple. Anything I come across that's Apple, I'm like, oh, this will pertain to at least one person watching. So there you go. Our next category is for bags and pouches. This kind of includes like mini wallets, tiny little things. They don't have to be like full-size bags, but they're included in this. So we've got this cute mini wallet. I thought it was really cute. I actually at first thought when I added it to the list, I thought I was adding a product. So I was like, oh no, I need to find a pattern. But no, it is a pattern. It's a pattern. So it's really cool. Got a granny stitch bag. This one's free and really good to get rid of some extra yarn you have. Or if you like don't have time to hit the yarn store and you're really strictly working with scraps, this one's good for you. And this one's a crochet card holder that can be added to a lanyard. We've got a digital camera pouch. This one's really cute, especially if you're giving them a digital camera and you want to add a little bit to it. This one's a ribbon pouch. Adorable. This one's just like an everyday market. Really simple, really basic, good for beginners. This one's cute and easy case, no sew. So if you hate sewing, there you go. This one's good for like makeup, crochet hooks, things like that. This one's similar, but it's a bear wallet, so it's mostly just for credit cards or money. And that is all I have for bags and pouches. Let's jump into decor. Alright, so for decor, we've got this Flower Power coaster. I have used this pattern several times over for a market, and they sold really well, so they're a crowd pleaser. Also really good to get rid of some stash yarn, extra yarn. This one is 4 different patterns in one bundle. I bought this bundle, it's paid, but it's so worth, okay? I personally like the sunflower one, the succulent one, and the monstera leaf one. I didn't like the tulip one because you had to cut your yarn and rejoin for every single little tulip flower, and I don't weave all those ends in, so no, I didn't do that one. But I did the other 3, and they're gonna come up in the Vlogmas series when I'm making gifts for family, so definitely check that one out. Checkered heart coaster, super cute. This one you can do with any granny square, but this pattern is free, and it's more so just to kind of give you the gist of how to attach it all. But if you do want to use this granny square, you can, but you can do this kind of setup with any granny square you come across, and there are hundreds of free granny square patterns. This is a slouchy basket pattern. This one's free and also really good for like scrunchies or like toiletry stuff or things like that. Good little gift, non-specific. If you don't really know the person that well, it makes a good gift. This is a succulent 3-set plant succulent pattern. Oh my god, bundle? Why can't I talk today? What is going on? Anyway, so you can do that. And if you want to look for other plants, depending on how much time you have, I have a whole 50 plant crochet idea on my channel already. This one is a desk mat, super, super cute. This one's checkered basket to go around plants or just as like a normal basket to hold things. Cactus 2 plant set, pattern set. And then we have this free jewelry hanging crochet tutorial. So if you have a lot of jewelry or you have it's a gift idea video, get it together. I can't today. So if you have a friend who has a lot of jewelry or you're gifting them a lot of jewelry, this is a cute last minute, it takes maybe 2 hours max, jewelry holder organizer thing, and it's free. And this one is another plant hanger with a granny square. Our next category is for functional. So this is for the friend or family member that is like, don't give me a crochet item that I can't use, okay? So here's a dishcloth. Here is a Pop-It Fidget Frog. Oh, so fun, especially with the kids, okay? Super cute. All right, and then we have this pot protector crochet pattern. Super good. My mom has some of these. They're store-bought. Boo. Okay, crochet these. They're perfect for moms and grandmas and like people who do a lot of cooking. I don't know. I like them, especially if someone's like, say they're getting their first apartment. These are like something you don't really think about, but they work and they're awesome and they're really easy to make. And you can make them with the yarn you already have, so you don't have to run to the store. This one's a Swiffer cover. This one's for our sustainable girlies, okay, who like stuff like that, who like reusable things, and they're fast and they're really easy, and again, you can use scrap yarn. So if that's not enough for you, here's another 50 fast gift idea video I did like a year ago. I'll link that one down below too, and if you want to make the poncho I'm wearing, I will link the tutorial for that one as well, because I always forget to mention like where the pattern of the link is for whatever I'm wearing, and then I get 100 comments like, I don't really care about everything else, what about the one you're wearing? So I'll link that one down in the description along with everything I showed you. Free or paid written or video tutorial will be linked down in the description box, and good luck to everybody who's starting last minute for their gifts. This video should be going out in a good amount of time, but if you're just now clicking on it and Christmas is tomorrow, Merry Christmas. Good luck with your gift making. Subscribe if you like this video and you want to see more from me. I'm doing a whole Vlogmas series where I'm making all my Christmas gifts, and I will see you in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.